Hello everyone and welcome to Go Here. Today I'm visiting a historic caravanserai. But first, let me explain what caravanserai were used for in the past. A long time ago, before cars existed, people traveled using animals like horses and donkeys. Because of this, journeys took a very long time, sometimes days, weeks, or even months. Along the way, travelers needed places to rest, eat, and take care of their animals. That's where caravanserais came in. There were roadside inns where travelers could stop, rest, and prepare for the next part of their journey. Ganjali Khan Caravanserai is one of these historic places. Today, it's been turned into a tourist attraction. It's part of the Ganjali Khan Complex, which also include the Ganjali Khan Bazaar, the Ganjali Khan Bathhouse, and the Ganjali Khan Square. I've already made videos about those places, and you can find them in the Kerman city playlist on this channel. This caravanserai was originally built around the year 1600 during the Safavid dynasty. At first, it was used as a religious school, but about 250 years ago, it was converted into a caravanserai. The building has a circular design and follows the four-ivan architectural style, which was common in Persian caravanserais. So that was Ganjali Khan Caravanserai in Kerman. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you liked this video, you will probably also enjoy this tree. Ganjali Khan Bazaar in Kerman, Ganjali Khan Bathhouse in Kerman, and Shah's Garden, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This one is also in Kerman City. Thanks for watching.